Welcome to the mentoring session of MMK College, that's 2021. Myself, Beena Multani from MMK College, French department, would like to welcome and introduce our subject expert, Madam Milita Ganguly. I'm sure by end of this session, with her expertise and experience, all your queries and doubts would be put at bay. And after she has finished guiding you, I'm going to take up even your prelims, your paper as you had put it across, as how you could improve and what are the do's and the don'ts of the paper. Okay, so do not leave. It's a very important session, a valuable session to gather. So before we start, let me introduce you our expert, our guest for the evening. Milita Ganguly, she is the head of department in the subject of French at HR College of Commerce and Economics. She was born and brought up in Chandan Nagar, which is a previous French colony in West Bengal. She has teaching experience of 21 years, whooping 21 years, 19 years in HR College, and she has also taught that is at SIES, that is College of Commerce and Economics, for 2 years. She's a moderator of French at HSC board. She's also a member of Board of Studies, HSC board in Pune. And you will have the entire lookout of your new textbook, new pattern of paper, so which Madam Ganguly will go through with you. So welcome, Madam Ganguly, to MMK College for guiding our students. It's an honor. You can start, please. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup, Beena.
There.
Okay. Bonsoir, étudiants. Before starting the nature of the question paper, what is very important for this year, because you don't have any previous year papers for your practicing or for showing as a model. So first you should know about the nature of the question paper, what we are going to ask in the paper, or we are going to give you as a question. So first thing, I think you know that is the 80 marks paper and 20 marks you have oral exam. In 80 marks, previously it was 16 marks question answer, that is called Réponde. I think so many of you already solved the previous year papers, so you can understand what is the model. But this year it is little bit changed and it is very easy to score also. The first one, choisissez la bonne réponse. That is MCQ question. And these MCQ questions will be shown to you with three options. It is written nicely. Students, you can take the screenshot also. Here 8 options will be given and 6 you have to attend. Now all the teachers always saying that in the HSC board, always we are taking the best. So you should try all 8 answers, not only 6. If there is any mistake, the teacher can take from the other. The questions should be framed as the information provided in the text au départ and civilization. Not only for civilization, from the text and civilization. but civilization has a major part for this question. 3 options will be there, and the first thing, you can't write only the question number and the option number, or only the option you write. No, that is not. You have to write the whole answer, what is given, and the fill in the blanks type. So just write the whole sentence, copy the whole sentence, and write the answer. The second thing is the part of the first question, that is the B part, that is responde. Here 5 you have to write, and options will be 8. Again, I'm saying you that you should try for all 8 questions. And when you are writing the question, the answer, always you have to pay attention to the grammar and vocabulary, and the content should be correct. You can't write only the answer, like if the question is given to name 2 legumes, legumes means vegetables, name 2 fruits, or what you are doing in your free time, this kind of question if they are asking and you are writing only the answer, then you will get only 1 mark out of 2. You have to write in full answer, in full sentence, with proper vocabulary and grammar. Now here are important thing, that no question should be asked from civilization portion. So here it will come only from the textbook. So many questions are given after the text. You can practice from there. Those are enough. And the Vipul's guide you can study. So many extra questions are given. And from board, the question bank is provided. From there also you can practice. Those are enough. Especially you have to pay attention to the text of the chapter, 4 chapters and the 0 chapter. So total 5 chapters you have to pay attention nicely. First thing it is that French textbook is the Ramayana and Mahabharata. So just pay attention to the text. I'm saying again and again. The next thing, the grammar is starting. Previously grammar was 22 marks, now it is 24 marks. And options are increased, so it is very easy to score. The first question, 1 paragraph will be given and it is not changed, just like previous year. 8 blanks will be given. Answers are will be written in the bracket. So just go through the paragraph nicely. Try to understand the meaning of the paragraph. Then see the answers. First you write down with pencil. Be sure with that these are the correct answer, and then write on pen. Because if you are cutting that again and again, it will be a bad impression to the examiner. The second thing, remplacer les bons soulignés par le pronom personnel. That is also previous year question. No changes. 6 options will be there. You have to write 4, but always you write all. You have 6 types of pronouns: subject pronoun, tonic or subject disjunctive pronoun, direct object pronoun, indirect object pronoun, Y pronoun, and En pronoun. Total 6 pronouns you have, and you finished 5 in previous year. Only 1 you have done this year, that is Y pronoun. So it is basically FYJC portion. So write all that and pay attention that you know the answer and your placement is wrong, you will get 0. So first you have to pay attention that if it is direct object, indirect object, Y pronoun and En pronoun, then placement is the most important thing. Correct answer and placement. In subject pronoun and in tonic pronoun, there is no need to know about the placement because there is no placement there. Where the blank is given, you have to write. If you underline the answer, it will be very nice. Good impression for the examiner. Next is pronominative. It is not in your portion. At the place of that, most probably the adjectives will come. The 4 adjectives: qualificative, possessive, demonstrative, and the interrogative. 4 type of adjectives will come at this place, most probably. Mettez le verbe entre parenthèses autant au mode indiqué. 4 marks you are getting for the tenses, and you have 6 tenses this year. 2 tenses are removed, that is future and conditional. So you have total 6 tenses, that is present, imperative, future proche, passé récent, passé composé, and imperfect. Options will be given, more 6 options, and 4 you have to write. So write all and underline the answer. Everything will be indicated, so there is no confusion. In the previous year, we are giving that guessing tenses. You have to guess the tense, and then you have to write that question is not there. So it is very easy to score if you know the proper conjugation of the verb. So many irregular verbs are there in the 0 chapter. Learn all that nicely. Since if you know the present tense properly, you can do the conjugation of imperative, imperfect. So for knowing present tense is very important. And the rules you have to follow for the future clause, the passé récent, otherwise the easiest tense these are. Passé composé, you have to know properly first that it is conjugated with avoir or être. When question is given in passé composé, pay attention to the verb. See that whether it is conjugated with être or avoir. If it is reflexive, there is no confusion. Always it is conjugated with être. After knowing that if it is an irregular verb, you have to know what is the past participle. That is the important thing for the passé composé. If it is with être, it will be agreed in number and gender. You have written everything correctly, like être conjugation. You have written the past participle also correctly, but if you forget to do the agreement, you will get 0. So many things you have to pay attention when you are doing the conjugation of passé composé. When it is imperfect, only one irregular is there, that is être. Others are all conjugated related to the present tense. Only you have to pay attention in manger, commencer, and the IER group, like étudier, read, this kind of things. Next thing, do as directed. Do as directed is very easy to score. 12 options are there and you have to write 8. Always you try to write all 12 options. The first thing is plural. Here also you can see that only 2 changes should be there in the sentence. Sometimes you can get 3 changes also. That will be very minor thing and very easy sentence will be given to you. Negative, only the simple negative sentence will be given. The next thing, mettez au féminin, again, only 2 changes. Compléter avec une préposition. Here it is so easy that options will be given, 3 options. So very easy to understand what will come if you know the meaning of the sentence. Compléter avec un mot interrogative, like all that quand, combien donc, combien, où, this kind of question will come. Again, options will be given. Doni an adverb. Here an adjective will be given. It can come in the sentence. Most probably it will come in the sentence only. You have to write the adverb of that adjective. When you are learning the adverb, learn nicely for the last two rules, like ANT change to AMMENT, ENT change to EMMENT, and the irregulars. Only 3-4 irregulars are there. Very easy to remember. Next thing is complete avec une expression négative. That is all that nulle part, jamais, non, ni, this kind of expressions will be given. So you have to complete with that. Complete avec an article contracté. Here also option will be given, like du, de la, apostrophe, or o, à la apostrophe. It will be given. You have to read properly which word is given after the blank and then write. Everywhere you have to copy the question and then write the answer. Complete avec un article partitif. Again, the options will be given, all that du, de la, apostrophe, or de. Faites une phrase au comparative or superlative. It will be given with the dash thing, what is shown in the exercise in the textbook. Just pay attention to that. We are always making question when we are following the textbook only, not without the textbook. So if you practice nicely all the exercises from the textbook, then you are ready for the exam. Next thing is the demonstrative interrogative possessive thing. If it is coming in the relative pronoun thing, then this question will not. Complete avec un adjective or pronom indefini, that is the two thing, T-O-U-T. T-O-U-T, T-O-U-T-S, T-O-U-S. In the fill in the blanks type, it will be there. Complete avec we, see, and know. It is a very important thing. I think you know everyone that if the question is negative and the answer is positive, then C is coming. So this kind of question they will ask, and with a blank one answer will be given. So what will be the proper answer that you have to write. Next thing is vocabulary. 10 marks is there. The first is complete. Here nothing should be asked from the civilization portion, but from the text it will come. After every text, some fill in the blanks are there. Practice all that nicely and do the. Let me finish my session, then I will see all your queries. Next thing is qu'dit-on. What you are saying in this situation. In every chapter, yeah, you can take the screenshot. It is a very good guidelines from the board only. So when you are preparing, you can follow this.
Strictly follow it, because this is coming from the board, and wherever ma'am is saying to stress it, please note down where she says, because this is how you will be able to know what is important and what is you have to stress on.
You
Okay?
don't have any model question paper for the previous year.
Only the prelim papers which we have set, that is as per board style only. Yeah.
Qu'dit-vous, that every chapter some situations they have given for the dialogue that you have to study for the qu'dit. Here again options will be given. Relier les deux colonnes. Here 4 marks will be given. And here also they have written nicely that including civilization, the question can be asked. And from the textbook, from anywhere. 0 to 6 it is written. It will come from 0 to 4 for this. Next is fact from NDK, that means do as directed. The student will attempt only 2 out of 3 options. You should write all 3. First one is Truevel and True, that is odd man out. Very easy questions to score. Reconstruct the sentence. This is the new thing this year they introduced. Maximum 6 words will be given, not more than that. So it is very easy to understand. When you are doing this, try to understand that if it is a general sentence, like affirmative sentence, then the subject should be the first one. If it is an interrogative sentence, verb will be the first one. That way you should go. But normally, affirmative sentence will be given. Give the opposite word, it will come in the sentence. In the underlined word, you have to change. So write the whole sentence and change the word. Give the opposite. Next is comprehension. One unseen passage will be given, but there will be nothing new. Everything related to your textbook, grammar and vocabulary. If any new word is given, the meaning will be given. First thing is responde, just like the previous year. What are the new thing I'm showing you now? Yeah. Complete the sentences with the words from the text. Now here so many new questions will come, but everything will be related from that text, what is given. You have to search from there only. So one sentence, very simple sentence will be given and one blank will be there and you have to fill from the passage. Just you have to search which word should be suitable from there. So just pick out from there and keep it there. Like if one paragraph I'm giving you about the Eiffel Tower is the symbol of Paris. Then one sentence will be given like this, Taj Mahal is the symbol of India. So here the symbol is the answer. So I think it is very easy to understand which word will come. But you have to take from the text only, not outside the text. Trouver or contraire, again, find the opposite word from the text. Dit, vrai ou faux, c'est un adjective ou un adverbe dans le texte. Again, find the adjective or the adverb in the text. Give the infinitive of the verb. This is the old question. Nothing new. One verb will be given. It can be in the imperfect form, can be in the passé composé or anything other. Just you have to write the infinitive form. And this is also a new thing. You have to give a title of the paragraph. Just go through the paragraph nicely. Try to understand what can be the title. Just write down. Don't write a very long thing. Try to write little small. Next thing, what is the new is coming for this year? That is blog or email writing. Everything will be guided. Points will be given. Just follow the textbook. Lesson 2 itself is a blog. How to write the blog? There should be a name will be given and the topic will be written. In the topic, it will be given that just you have to write that only. And a small introduction and conclusion should be there. And it will be divided into at least 2 to 3 paragraphs. You can't write a continuous paragraph for the blog writing. And for the email writing, so many emails we provided in the textbook. Just follow that format only. Everything will be given, provided who is writing, to whom is writing, his or her email ID, everything will be provided. So just write down And there also, if you divide into 2 paragraphs, it will be very nice when you are writing the email. Now for the email and blog writing, please take down the pages. Page number 71, 72, 86, 153. In these pages you can get, and I told you itself the lesson 2 is a blog writing. Other than this, you have to prepare Paris, Mumbai, vacations, one general festival like Diwali or Holi, French meal, seasons, and family. These are the things you have to prepare. I am repeating again. Paris, Mumbai, vacation, one general festival, French meal, seasons, and family. These are the topic. And the pages also I told you 71, 72, 86, and 153. Very easy topic and easy paper will come this year because it is the first year for your new portion and everything is new this year. The format is also changed. Marking system is changed. So don't take so much tension for their French paper, and portion is also deduced. So it will be very easy for you. Now translate into English. I'm giving the pages, please write down. Page 62, 64, 10B. Page 68, question number 10. Page 69, question number 11A and B. Page 87, question number 11B. Page 100, question number 9. Page 102, question number 11. Page 107, question number 13. Page 109, question 14. Page 110, question 15A and 15B. Page 150, question number 13A. Page 151, question number 13B. These are important for the translation passages. Translation will come only from these pages. So please study all these pages, and it is very scoring. If you are writing totally correct, you will get total 6 marks. The next thing, the last thing, that is the traduisez en français. You have to write 3 out of 6 options, but don't write 3, always write all 6. I'm saying again and again. Short sentences of maximum 6 to 8 words based on the vocabulary and grammar taught in the text. No new word will come. Everything will come from the textbook only. Civilization portion is not coming for this question, only from the text. And what you are getting in the translation passages or in the dialogues, from there, the vocabulary and grammar will be used. Other than this, you have to pay attention for the expression with our, expression, negative expressions in the sentences, and all the tenses, comparative and superlative degree. This kind of sentences also we are going to ask for the traduisez en français. Now next thing, for the oral exam, some dialogues pages I am giving you that you can prepare for the oral exam. Page 50, 51, page 77, 78, page 111, 31, and 30. These kind of dialogues we are going to ask. Other than this, reading, question, answer, these are there. And the dictation also that Beena ma'am will guide you for that. Now you can, if you want to know anything or query you have, you can write on the chat.
Yes, anyone who wants to ask or clarify any doubt, please type it into the chat section. Yes, Shifa, Anuja, Alsa, Kashaf. Okay.
Blog for the blog.
Yes. Repeat the page number for orals. That's 1. And the blogs in the text are enough. Are they enough?
Yeah,
The
yeah,
blogs.
enough. And I told the topic also. For the blog, the pages I'm saying again, that is 71, 72, 86, and 153. And the topics I have given, that is Paris, Mumbai, vacation, one general festival, French meal, seasons, and family. Only this much topic you have.
Yes. So you don't have to look anywhere. We are giving you the topics. Please prepare on that. So you don't have to keep on asking what to do, which topics to prepare. It's shortlisted. Ma'am has shortlisted and giving it to you, which you need to prepare. And basic ones, family, then your vacations,
Vacations.
seasons
French.
as well, right?
Yeah, season.
Okay. French meals. And they need to know the page numbers for the oral exam that you said. Yeah.
That the dialogue I gave 1 minute. I'm repeating again. Yeah, for the dialogues, page 50, 51, 77, 78, 111, 31, 32. These are the pages.
That's for your dialogue, right? That
Yeah, dialogue.
That is Reza had put across, and Simran also wanted the same. What else? Yes, Fatima, you've got the topics. Anyone else would like to ask questions? Please go ahead. Be free to ask. This is the time. You have got your prelim papers back, all of you? Did you all receive? Just put it yes or no. Have you received it? No. Okay, soon you should be getting it. Okay, it would be given to you soon. We have handed over in college, so it should be reaching you. Yeah, sure, you can speak to me, Reza. Not an issue. Later on, you can speak, whatever. But come ahead, ask all the techniques, the ways, how you go about. How could they, basically write the paper which pleases the examiner as presenting it? Because there is where they lose it, because all the time they're scared about a foreign language, and they mix up. They are very afraid to start with the question answers. They land up with the grammar, then they suddenly jump to another string of questions. Whatever they know, they try to do it, and the whole order of the paper is lost.
Yeah.
Don't ask about hall ticket. It would be given to your class group. I want to know anything in French. How would you score? Because last year we had a 99 as highest in our college. And I'm looking at a century, Milita ma'am. So I'm sure
not giving, that is the problem.
HR, I remember you had told me once when I said, you said 5 people got a century.
Yeah, but last 2 years they are not giving.
Acha, they're not giving a full 100.
No, they are not giving.
So your college too, what was the highest?
99.
99, okay.
Yeah, 99 highest, and I think 45 students got 99.
Mhm.
Good result was.
No. Yes, any other doubts, please ask. So then you have to add anything, Milita ma'am? Would you like to add something more? Yeah,
No, I think
elaborate on blogs. One more question, sorry.
the students are asking again and again. I think you are going to take the session on that, no?
Yeah, I'll take that. I have prepared something for them as a sample so they can go through it. I have my own blog also where I write, and in that they have seen, but then still they are a little afraid now. But when we have the topics on hand and if we know the format, we cannot go wrong. Okay. And it's from the text, so we can prepare beforehand. Today we are, what's the date? 5th and 23rd
Is the exam.
exam. And French happens to be 26th April, 3
Yeah,
to
yeah.
6.
26.
Okay, so if you just given 2 days also to this blog and email, I'm sure you will hit the score more than 95 if your grammar and everything is in place.
Yeah, yeah. And it is very scoring,
Very,
new format. New format is very scoring.
in fact, I see the new pattern has made it much easier for the students to score.
Yeah.
Okay, so can I go through the little do's and don'ts of a paper,
Yeah, yeah. You
or you
can.
want to add something?
No, no, I don't want to add. Everything is finished, I think. I am just sitting for the query, but they are not asking anything.
Right. So I think, yeah, I don't know, they are well prepared probably. I don't
I
know.
think you can continue with this. And one more thing I want to say that you have my college prelims paper, na?
Right. I've shared in the group HR, Jai Hind, then Sathe College.
So you share with them and just say them to practice at least 7 to 8 papers. If they practice now, then it will be very nice for them.
I've shared all those papers in the class group.
Acha.
I'll stress it on.
Hmm.
Ma'am, wait, I will just finish that and then come back to you.
Okay.
You're there, right? Yeah. Okay. So I'll share my screen. Okay.
I have to stop share, no?
You stop share.
You can share, no?
Yeah. Yes. Have I shared my screen?
Yeah, it is showing.
Okay. So basically, after correcting the prelim paper, now prelim paper was something which they had to do it at home. So I hope they haven't looked, they have prepared it and assume they have done it as the spur of a moment as per their preparation. But if they've fallen back to the text, or whatever, it could be at end of the day, they know the answers. But I would definitely point out, as ma'am went in with each question, okay, this is generally, this is the portion that is omitted, 5, 6 again, because I do not want, again, you come back and say, ma'am, what is omitted? It's clearly, explicitly, I'm saying 5 and 6, below 3, except pages 150, 151 and 153. So that is absolutely clear now. We do not, first question also ma'am pointed out, that is texte de part or it is civilisation. Please write the entire sentence. Out of my 10 papers, 9 papers have written it, but there are some students who are lazy and they do not want to write the entire sentence. You will be losing out. I've cut marks in your prelim paper if the whole sentence is not written. That is the only one thing I want to say. I've shortlisted for you. I've given you the notes for it. You have to learn it. It's limited, okay? Then question 1A, again, as ma'am went, I am again going through it, where you have your 8 questions and you have to do 5, 2 marks each. Now, in this question, when I corrected my prelim paper, I had asked the question, par exemple, say, où prendons c'est l'avion et aussi le train. So, where does one take the train and the plane, right? So your answer was distinctly 2 sentences. On prend l'avion à l'aéroport. And deuxième, c'est on prend, c'est le train à la gare ou à la station. But there was, because I had given in the question bank, written my answers, you blindly add, yes, on prend le bus, c'est à l'arrêt du bus aussi. That is not needed. And then what happens when you've added the extra information, you tend to commit mistakes. And with that mistakes, it gives an impression, no, it's not a perfect answer. So it depends upon the examiner if he's going to take it as a whole or not. So when I ask is what is the capital of Paris, and I start describing Paris, it's une ville lumière, it's une belle ville, c'est la capitale. Just don't throw information. Quote with the question. That's one thing I want to point out.
Bina, sorry for disturbing. Can I leave now?
I need to thank you, ma'am.
It's okay now. It's okay. You are
No,
my
no.
best friend. No need to be so much the formalities and all. Okay.
No, then let me thank you first. Okay. I would like to thank Madam Ganguly for enlightening and enriching with her expertise and showing us which are the important, the guidelines, as well as she has given you the exact page numbers which you fall into, right? No other subject, I'm sure, would be able to tell you that. And it is right away given by ma'am, who's a moderator, right? And she is member of the board. So it makes it more important and not to take it as lightly. Then I would just see to it that you follow strictly the guidelines given by ma'am. Thank you very much, Madam Milita. It was nice having you.
Dorian.
Allez, au revoir.
All the best students, bon chance. I want everyone 90%. All the best.
Okay, I'm sure they will get now.
They will get.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so just pointing out after my prelim paper, just check out as to what were the do's and don'ts. This all in the class had shown with the PPT, right? Yes, this is question 1, which I was talking to you. Those who have solved the paper and they clearly remember, if you have the prelim paper, keep it aside along with you. So you will realize, do not add unnecessary information. Okay, that's point 1. Now, this is an area where everybody wants to know, how do I get my full 8 marks or a 7.5 for that matter? So what I did was, in your prelim paper, you did not add, that is the name of the blogger. Who's the blogger who's writing the blog? So you'll have to write a hypothetical name. Okay, title is not written. And what is a blog basically? As Instagram, you have a photograph and to get as your likes and comments. This is your writing skill, which brings in the likes and comments. So for that, you will have to write a suitable title, which she said it would be given. So if it's given, read the question carefully, write that title. Name of the blogger important, otherwise marks would go. So that's 1 for the blog. Then there was, people were just rushing in with all the things known. French means, so everything was put up as a ball of information and written down. No, you'll have to write an introduction, you'll have to write a body, and then you'll have to write a conclusion. That is for 2 things that you will remember: name of the blogger, a title, always into 3. So that would be, she said, 2-3 paragraphs. So that's about 80 words. That is about 3/4 foolscap sheets. Now, which topics you will prepare, that we will see. But I have a sample for you. I have, say, a picnic que vous avez fait. So you take it as les vacances or whatever. See, my title has come in. My name of the blogger has come in. Introduction, I have written down. I'm not just starting les vacances or whatever. Giving a background, giving an introduction, right? Last week, I went for vacations to Goa. It was an unforgettable experience. C'est une expérience excellente, inoubliable. Oui. C'est une expérience, je garderai toujours le souvenir. I would always, always remember it. It would be like a memory. Then the body comes in, you say, I went to the beach. We have done that on vacations. I went as particular, the weather was beautiful. I did take boat rides. I tanned myself. All those things would come in the body. That goes as the main crunch or the core, which could be also broken up into, body could also be broken up into two parts. And then a conclusion, which could be of 2-3 lines. Always remember, a block can always be rhetoric. You can always have a question, that is, les vacances, ne pensez-vous pas c'est important? That means, don't you think vacations are important dans la vie, say in life? So such questions will come in. Topics are already given, which he said, family, vacations, then French meals, right? Then one more, I have written it here. You can take a screenshot. I'm giving you the beginning and the ending. Topics here I had shortlisted, which she also gave you simpler ones. French meals, vacation, even health, then protection of the environment because it's in the text, youngsters of today, then family and the activities of the weekend. Take a screenshot plus what she has given. It will overlap. If I'm saying picnic, it could be taken as vacations also, and would be main ideas would remain the same. So take a screenshot for blog or email. Topics are given, format is known. Now, how to begin? How to begin? This is the ways. Let me give it to you in French. Here, again, take a screenshot of this. Pierre Sajoua, no, this is, sorry, excusez-moi, this is for email, right? It's not for your blog. Email, I'm taking it separately. So any questions on blog, any doubts on blog? And please follow, if you have any doubt on that, samples I have put in Beena's Bespectacled Views, my blog. There you will be having it. And plus, you can take a screenshot of this, which is a sample or as a blog. Any questions to be asked on blog? Go ahead. Okay. Just a moment. Yeah. Great. So that is one thing. Now the email. Okay. Email, again, in the paper, what was not right is from whom it's coming and to what it's going. Again, in the question, it will be given to you. Whoever's writing the email, that is from and going to whatever, and it's not subject. In French, we write the object. Object spelling to be noted, there is no C. So there were some papers, I will show it to you, which I scanned it and I had it with me. I'm sure the ones whose paper is this would know it. You see, there's no C to it, but she's begun well. She's saying, comment vas-tu? Tu n'es plus petit, tu es déjà 10 ans, mais ton cou et ton esprit continuent de se développer. C'est pourquoi j'aimais d'expliquer l'importance de rester en bonne santé. Si tu prends ces conseils, tu n'auras pas de problème quand tu seras vieux comme moi. So some background like that has to be built, where the grandfather was advising the grandson how to keep up good health. So you can always join it up as, how are you? That is, j'attends que tu ne vas pas bien, you're not feeling well. C'est la santé est très important. And building it, then going to the body, which he has put it as, pour rester en forme et être en bonne santé, il faut avoir un régime alimentaire équilibré. Il faut manger régulièrement avec modération. Tu dois consommer de chaque, say, aliments, peut-être c'est nourriture qui est sain, tous les protéines, des céréales, et il ne faut pas boire trop de boissons gazeuses, right? Do not drink your aerated drinks, that is boisson gaseeux. Then malbouffe is your junk food. Pick up, remove those words, formulate your passages as per the topic given to you. I've given her a 6.5. She's concluded, moi aujourd'hui j'ai mal au dos, au genou. That's grandfather is saying, je ne peux pas marcher, c'est parce que je n'ai pas suivi ces conseils de mon grand-père. Alors, fais la bonne décision, mon petit. And then affectueusement. Now, here, this is where you can have it. It's a cliche. Every letter, email would be having it. Now, you tell me, should I attend blog or should I attend email? Both have a format. Email becomes scoring because you know beginning is the same, ending is the same, but body should have 2-3 paragraphs relating to the topic. Suppose you have prepared on family and it comes as a blog, don't do the mistake of taking an email as a choice. Okay, whatever topic you have prepared. So be clear with the format. I think it should fall in place. Here a screenshot. Salut, je te remercie de ta lettre qui est arrivée hier. Hi, I thank you for the letter which arrived yesterday. J'ai été très content d'avoir vos nouvelles. Oui, I was very happy to have your news. Je suis vraiment désolé de ne pas vous avoir écrit depuis si longtemps. C'est pourquoi je vous envoie ce petit lettre rapide. So these are various options. You can club it up, take the first 2-3 sentences from here, which could be the beginning, connect it to the topic that you have, right? And then continue. Il y a longtemps que ne nous sommes pas vus. We haven't seen each other for a long time, right? Je me suis inquiet. I'm very much worried. Oui. J'ai beaucoup de stress de la santé, de votre santé. I have a lot of stress about your health. So putting that into example, then you have the corresponding simultaneously the meaning for it, how you begin an email. Okay. And I showed you that is your first from to object, no see, begin as share, whatever you're writing to. And then you begin with these cliche type of sentences. Now to end the letter, here to end the letter. Again, you have few typical type of sentences which you could use. Pierre se joint à moi pour vous envoyer nos meilleurs vœux. Peter joins with me to send you our best wishes. This could be the last sentence. You need to learn it up and rewrite and produce it. So your 2-3 lines. It's like learning these lines immediately gives your boost to your email and you are prepared, and it's a matter of learning it, remembering it. Then transmettez, s'il vous plaît, mes amitiés à Daniel. That is, give my love to Daniel. Jean vous envoie ses amitiés. John sends you his love. Marie vous embrasse tous les deux. Marie hugs both of you, gives a lot of love to both of you. Dis bonjour à Jean pour moi. Say good day to John. That is on my behalf. Écris-moi si tu as une petite minute libre. Write to me if you have a single spare minute. N'oublie pas de nous donner de tes nouvelles de temps en temps. Do not forget to give us news from time to time. J'attends avec impatience une lettre de vous. I'm waiting impatiently a letter from you. Now note, there are also some sentences which you have written. Écris-moi vite. Oui, réponds-moi vite. Tas de choses à raconter. Heap of things to tell you. So these are cliche type of sentences to end. So you're beginning and ending those 3-4 lines. Take a screenshot right away. So, and you learn up those 2-3 sentences. So it eases out your pressure as what to write in the beginning, how to begin and all that. So these 2-3 sentences connecting to the main topic, and it will flow easily then. It will flow easily. These sentences would be handy rather. Okay, so that's, and how do you end or sign off? And one more important thing, note, that is what you call, use the subject. Now, if grandfather is writing to grandson, so use the subject tu, okay, not whose. So that we have to be clear. That's one, the subject that I have to use. A friend to friend would use subject as singular, tu. Suppose a grandson is writing to grandfather, that could get us, but that is also as family. It could be as informal. It's not like here, but a formal could get us who. So be clear on the subject. Tense, yes, whether I have to use present. I'm talking about what happened, going to happen. Tense is to be noted. And but so first 2-3 minutes, give time reading the question in English. You have enough time in French. 3 hours, you will finish in 2 hours, and you'll say, what do I do? There's so much. I finished my paper, ma'am, take my paper, but they won't take. But you're not realizing that you would end up getting a 99, and this will give you a ticket to your admission to your BMS or whatever, because your French marks become as 99, the percentage shoots up. So do not lose that careless mistakes which you make. I have finished, take it in a hurry and give it. No, we will have to read the question, reread the question. What is it saying? Is it a particular thing as general? Is it an event or something which has taken place? Do I have to use passé composé or an imparfait? Do I have to use a future proche? So tense becomes important. Subject becomes very important as when you're writing your, because this is the only area when I did correct the prelim paper, I realized the change or the pattern has left so much room to score. Okay, I didn't have many failures, frankly. I didn't have many failures for B and C division. Whatever my friends students, hardly people failed in French. So that's not the issue. The problem is, how do I get more than 75? How do I reach that nearest? As she said, last 2 years, they're not giving full 100. Few years back, 2 years back, I remember when I had spoken to her, she told me, I said, I got a 99. She said, my college HR, she got a 5 as a century, like 5 students got 100. So it's been my target that how do I get a century in my college? And that's up to you. So these little things, you may think it's getting boring, it's the same repetitive thing, but these things will help. So take a screenshot, keep these sentences ready in your memory, so you are able to reproduce it easily. Okay, write it 4-5 times, and you have the endings. Now, getting to, this was the English meaning to that. Ways to sign: affectueusement, bien de choses à toi, à bientôt, amiate, amicalement, right? Various ways to sign off. Any one you adopt, it's not everything. So amicalement, never disclose your identity. That will also take away marks. So it should be XYZ. But if it is given in the question that grandfather is writing, grandfather's name is given, so that name also obviously will be coming at the end. So today itself, I want everyone take these 5-6 topics that she has given. It becomes very important. If she has said it, these all topics are very important. Paris, we will prepare. All of you note it, please. Today itself, one day every day, and within 4-5 days, it will be prepared. Information on Paris, Mumbai, family, vacation, festival, French meals, seasons. Okay. Then she has given you this. I also had shortlisted it, the translation from the text, that is French to English. These are the pages plus your chapters 0 to 4. Just counter verify it, what she gave the pages, and this, it's anything plus minus, you can take note of it. So that was your translation. Then I have given you your translation English to French also. In the class group, I've shared it. From the text, some sentences of that, so that makes it easier for you what sentences you have to take. Okay. So these all, and one more thing, handwriting, it was something, if you can't understand, we leave it. We try our level best to get into the handwriting part of it, but it gets so difficult to read. Sometimes you just say, it's not possible. What do I do? Maybe it's right, but we cannot understand the handwriting. So when I was practically checking the papers, I said, one thing I should point out is your handwriting. And then two, because there's so much options, every question there's an option. Do not mix up. Okay, here you have done question 2A, then you jump to 4, then you do a comprehension, whatever you know, and you do it, it becomes absolutely as confusing for the examiner. So as far as possible, follow the order of the question paper. It makes sense. So that is how you will be taking it. First question, or even you match the columns, you're not going to write A, B, C, D and all that. It has to be as the left hand side and the right hand side matching to each other, and it would be as side by side, putting it correctly. End of the day, what remains is you have to ease the examiner in correction of the paper. And how do you ease it? Because everyone has one paper to themselves to present it, right? So if you present it in a proper way, it's going to flow in a pattern which will definitely make it easier for the examiner also. So it was the handwriting where somewhere I got lost. Sometimes the questions were mixed up. Then your question that do as directed, where there are 12 sentences, then you have to do 8. Every one, most of it, out of 10 papers, 8 papers, you got your 8 marks. But the people, when you get your question paper, I want to point out, when you get your question paper back, please see your question, do as directed, which was that is, just let me see the question number, what it was. That's the vocabulary, 10 marks. FET, and GK. That's your last question of your grammar. The 24 marks, what you said, the last question, which carries 8 marks. If in your prelims, check into your prelim paper, if you've got an 8, that means your grammar is prepared somewhere. You'll get that. But if you have got a 6 or a 5, which some people have got, that means in the option of 12 sentences, you are not getting 8 right. So what is the use of those options? You're not able to make the use of that options given to you. This is a room given to you. Score as much as you want. Put into plural, negative, feminine, put an interrogative. See your prelim papers, and prelim papers I have given. Jai Hind is to be solved. MMK, once again, solve it. Then again, you have your Sathe college paper, HR college paper. 4 prelim papers are given. So you should see at ease, I have solved this question. I've got my 8. That means I'm much more prepared than what I thought. So losing marks here will not be allowed. That means still preparation is required. Still you have to go through the textbook. Verbs. Pronouns is also an issue. Pronouns is also an issue where full of 4 marks was not coming. 6 sentences are given and I'm not able to score 4 in pronouns. That means I have to work. So note that personal pronouns are to be worked on. That I was not happy with that question. Highest is 78. I have the analysis here with me. I can tell you there are 378s, 478s. Okay. 139, 142, that's roll number 150, 279, 362, getting a 77. So, and most of it, many in 70s also. So I do not want you to lose out this opportunity with these things, and we have enough time. If you want this PPT, I can share it in the class group. Any doubts? Let me see. Please go ahead. You can ask me any doubts if you have any. Let me check my chat section. Yes, Sharmeen, I will share. But at the same time, please strictly follow whatever the pages were given to you for your translation and essays. They become very important. And yes, the question bank, did everyone get the question bank? The question bank, can I have the answer in the chat section, please? Yes, that's again very important. Tanisha, Keith, Samaya, Sharul, that is to be solved. I cannot afford to forget on that. If it is possible, time permitting, I will make a video on that or create a solution for it. If I'm not promising, but I will definitely try to do that question bank which is given. So what becomes important is the question bank, the 4 prelim papers, okay, 2, and thirdly, whatever the pages or the topics given, I have to follow that. And the textbook, as she says, don't look out anywhere. So question bank is one thing. Start solving today itself. If you want your board paper to just go easily and go through it, the board is providing that question bank. So what more can we ask for? They are giving you the practice. So this is the guidelines given by the board. So we cannot be stupid and silly to ignore it and wonder what to do. Do the question bank right away. If you have not, get started right away. If it's in the PDF form, go to, as I told you, go to online, change it to Word form. There itself, start doing the paper. You don't need to take a pen and pencil also. You in the Word form, in your on your laptop or your phone, you can start writing your answers. Any doubt in the question bank, ask me, and I would provide the solution, hopefully, as soon as possible. Yes. Something else you all would like to ask, go ahead. Please do brainstorming here and finish, because I will not answer any doubts later on separately. We have a golden hour now with us. I think it's 5:15. Okay, so we have some time. Let's decide as to what you want to know. Yes, I am going to share the PDF or this PPT. I will be sharing it with you all. That's not an issue. But I want you to come ahead and tell me, how did you find your prelim papers? Which are your worries, which you would like to grammar practice? Question bank. 3.5 hours for the exam? No, I am not aware of it. French, you don't need even 3 hours. So you can ask for other subjects, but I'm telling you, Fatima, that is French, you'll finish in 2 hours. It's an objective type paper. Please do not just write answers and finish it in 1 hour. Present your paper. Each question, you can put it on a new sheet. First question 1A, then going to question 1B on a new sheet, then going into the third one. Make it very explicit and neatly written. English to French is difficult for me. So I have shortlisted the sentences. I have shortlisted 45 sentences for you. The PDF is shared in the class group. That's 1. 2, you have it with your question bank. Question bank has given sentences. Can I just share and go through the question bank? I have it on my screen right away. I'll share it. Here you have. Yes. This I cannot afford to not do it before the exam. If I'm not doing it, that means I'm not preparing it. It's giving you the entire story of how the board paper is going to be, on what lines it's going to be. So we have to do all these questions, and they have also given some sentences to translate English to French. Traduire en français. So all these sentences to be taken care of. The children like to play football on Sunday. Les enfants aiment, c'est jouer au foot le dimanche. So write these sentences, and if it is still difficult, if you are not able to do these sentences, that means somewhere your vocab is not known. You have to get back to the text to learn the vocab. Vocab is nucleus. Okay, this I have reached. My building has reached the 9th floor. Okay, my first floor is not cleared. I'm not climbed up there. That means 9th floor will not be comfortable. So if your translation in French is not going correct, that means the vocab is not done. So right away, vocab from the text, chapter wise, and you have how many chapters? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Not going to be taken from FIJC. So you will have to underline and learn up the words so it falls easily as in your translation. It is necessary to plant trees to save our planet. So all these, how many sentences given? 25 plus 45 I have given in revision in your question bank. So those 45 and 25, and I'm done for translation. But translation, before you do, learn up a little vocab and then attempt. So these are the translation. And again, your translate in English. She has given you the page numbers. So there it is. Not more to. So question wise, prepare, please. Question wise. Now your email, they have given you the topics. These are the topics plus the topics she shortlisted. So this entire question bank becomes ultimate Bible for the board paper. So you think you will not solve and go and you will take all presentations here, there, it's not going to work. Okay. Yes. What about the revision lecture? Yes, Fatima. Which revision lecture? Whoever interested, any doubts, ask me now, right away. We are here to help you. What I felt after the prelim paper, I have worded with you. The PPT that you require, I will share it in the class group right away after the session. I'm going to share it. So you have the entire glimpse of all, but what she suggested, go with that too. The topics of your essay. Yes, anything else that I would like to do? Go ahead. So I take it as everything is solved. If anyone requiring any revision or you want to do this question bank, we can do it together also. We can go through the question bank, not an issue. I can set up a lecture and we can do it together. Yes, Salsa, you can focus on email only, but with all those topics, what you read out as family, vacations, then your French meals, les repas français, all those topics, and then you can, okay, go in with your email, learning the beginning, learning the ending, and all those Paris, Mumbai, then your seasons, all those common topics. So what I should suggest is take foolscap sheet, put all these 6-7 topics together, then you produce it in whatever form it's coming as email. Okay, you'll have option between blog and email. So you can, but Rishi, blog or email, it will be an option, 8-mark question. Either you do blog or either you do email. Both have a format. Topics are common to both. Topics are not different. Topics remain the same, whether email or whether it is blog. So am I clear with what the do's and don'ts of the paper and what I felt after the prelim paper I have worded? Right away, start the question bank and let me know what difficulties we can solve it together. Rather, I have a YouTube video also where this question bank is solved. So that video also I will share it. In case I'm not able to form the video or my solution does not come in, there's a YouTube video which we got it on our French group. So you can have that. So the question bank also can be, you can hear the video and you can go through your question bank. So that will also be helpful. So two things, that means the YouTube video to the question bank from the board, and two, my PPT that you would like to have, right? So that I will do it. I think I'm not getting any more questions. So I believe we are good at what we have finished. So before I end the session, I would like to thank each one of you. I'm sure it's going to help you, all these things which we have worded in this session. And a very, very big thank you to Madam Melita, who just left. And I would put it on air also, for guiding our students and solving all the doubts. It was indeed an enriching session, and I'm sure it will play a massive, massive role in achieving the desired results. I would like to express my gratitude to our management, that is HSNC board, for creating such opportunities for all our students to realize their dreams in life. A big thank you to our leader of the ship, our Honorable Principal, Dr. C.A. Kishore Peshori, sir, for implementing such a great idea of mentoring sessions. I'm sure with this pandemic on our hands, a new textbook to venture, new paper style to discover, and a form of virtual classroom, it is a brilliant, brilliant idea to build confidence in our students. And the all credit, we should give it to our principal. I would also like to acknowledge my Vice Principal, Madam Roma Wag, for all the support and help in conducting the session. I extend my thanks to BAIP team for all the technical support. And last but not the least, a big thank you to all our students for coming forward and attending this session. It is extremely motivating for us. So I would put it as bon chance, all the best. And for your upcoming exams, I'm sure French is going to help you and going to score very good marks, which will boost your percentage. Okay, au revoir. Thank you. See you.